The country is already divided. No be me they divide them. I'm just stating the obvious. No be me they divide them. Am I even dividing it? I'm stating the obvious. The obvious, which is the fact that people are just trying to emancipate themselves from this radical janjaweeds. In my own word, I want to use radical Islamization, right? But when I use radical Islamization, I get to understand that a lot of people don't understand me. When I use the word radical Islamization, there's actually a difference between radical Islamization and actually Islam. The Islam I know, I have a lot of good people, good friends that are Islams, good Islams, that till tomorrow, they are my die-hard Buddhists that I will never let go at any cost, that I'm ready to sacrifice my life for them. But the fact is, the country is divided. And what is my advocacy at this point in time in regards all I'm saying? The fact is, this is not the time for any region to lose its voice in regards being relevant and maintaining dominance. That is just it. No matter what it takes. Talking about the Southeast people, the Southeast people have lost their voice already. Their voice is in Sokoto now. It's in Sokoto why their politicians are thinking of PDP, APC or whatever, and the rest are creating excuses in regards why it should be so or why it shouldn't be so. Because when we come out, then go finish us. And that is why I propose the concept of 1 million march. And I'm daring anybody to dare me in regards to that. And sincerely, if I must put it to you, I won't put this entirely on the president, because if the president is to tell you the obvious, he will tell you he's overwhelmed. But the fact is, it needs a collaboration of effort from you people. And the fact is, you people are supposed to sharpen other people in regards the need to kick against this. But what are you doing? Money, abi, ego, material possessions, desires, or whatever. I have a lot of things running in my head. I just hope I will be able to maintain status quo. But that is the reality, right? So this is not the time to lose your voice. The same thing the same Mazi Nnamdi Kanu did. In short, the man who saw us tomorrow, because he predicted right from even before Tinubu became president, and even in regards the atrocities happening, and it's all going on. And let me not use that word again. You people are just sitting there and thinking it's just a matter of time. No, let me tell you something. It's just a matter of time before you be brought to the table when your time reach for you to be butchered. It's just a matter of time before the time reach for you to be brought to the table for you to be butchered. That is what you're waiting for. And nothing more. Call me a divisive element or whatever, but the fact is, between God and man, I'm stating the obvious. And I know they fear anybody here. Nobody they pay me, nobody they spoon feed me here, nobody they tell me what to do. But I'm telling you the reality I'm seeing on ground. And in regards negotiation, when you talk of negotiation now, possibly when the government, they say God will provide, but until he provides, you must provide. Who is the God here? The government. The government is not ready to provide yet. Until he provides, you must provide. Every region must have a voice. They don't eat the least powerful at the moment. The least powerful, now they eat. In the north, they are gradually encroaching into the southwest now, Abi. Next will be your turn. So if you like, keep playing politics with this and think that this I don't actually know what you people are thinking. I really don't know, sincerely, between God and man. But I just hope that one day you wake up from this madness. Because it's this same thing that this man did, that Igbo did. And if anybody is to come up and tell me that there was an exception, I will tell you that lives were lost in both scenarios. Forget about the technicality or whatever. Lives were lost in all these scenarios. But the fact is, you were saying one thing. And that is why I'm telling you, I'm not pushing it to the president, because if you ask the president today, he's overwhelmed. Regards political survival and realistic implementation of the reality that transforms the nation. That is why his wife even went to the United States and even said more bombs should be expected, and in short, it was a blessing, the last bomb, Abi. And the fanatics were on fire, anti-North or whatever. So the North is actually confusing somebody when it comes to actually even kicking out these radicals. When you speak about these radicals and the fact that fire must be meted on them, the North now falls in solidarity in regards the need that they need to remain, and it's not their fault. And at the same time, on the other page again, you see them speaking in regards there's a problem in the nation. What is actually the problem in the nation? Well, the fact is, while other people try to solve their own delusive problem in regards what they consider as a problem, what I'm just trying to say is, everybody must have a voice. At the end of the day, when God decides to provide, then everybody, when you carry stone, I carry stone. That is when we'll be invited to a negotiation table. But when I carry stone, you no get stone, no be negotiation. Now the fact that it must be done according to the person where carry stone.